Hi, so let's look at this C programming question. So we have three variables here, integer a, b and c. A has a value of 10, b has a value of 20 and c has a value of 30. And here we are doing an if check. If c is greater than b is greater than a. Okay, so mathematically we can see that 30 is greater than 20 and 20 is greater than 10. Okay, and if this condition is satisfied, we say print true, else we print false. Now, if I run this code, compile run this code, let's see what happens. So when I run it, okay, we can see that the program prints false. Okay, so why does it print false? Okay, because mathematically, though this is true, 30 is greater than 20, 20 is greater than 10. Okay, but when you put it in a statement like this, what happens is you will first evaluate C is greater than B. Okay, and in terms of a comparison operation, okay, C returns a Boolean result which is either true or false. So when you compare 30 to be greater than 20, the result of that check is true. So this will return a value of 1. Okay, so in Boolean logic, 1 is true, 0 is false. So 1, and now you're checking whether 1 is greater than A. So is 1 greater than 10? So that is not true. So the eventual result will be false. Okay, so this is a classic case of where we try to directly translate a mathematical expression into a expression in your coding language. All right, so if I really wanted to check this, okay, what I would need to do is to break up the check into two different uh, portions. So I can check separately that C is greater than B, and at the same time B is greater than A. Okay, so how can I do that? I can put a bracket here and I can do the and sign and I can check whether B is greater than A. So in this case, what is happening is first I have two checks over here. So one check is whether C is greater than B. Okay, so this will return a true or a false. So if it is true, it will return a 1. And then there's another check that checks whether B is greater than A. So if again this is true, then I will return a 1, okay, boolean 1 to represent true. So 1 and with 1 will give me a true. Okay, so let me save this and run it. So now you see that the result is true. Okay, so I hope this helps to clear up this common misconception on how to perform proper mathematical checks in your C program. Thank you. Bye.